Hi everyone, now we'll learn how we can upload files in Laravel, and if a uploaded file is image, then how we can display it on the UI. So we can start with the points. First we'll see how we can create a small form so that we can select file to upload. After that we will create a controller for file upload. Then we'll see how we can store files with the auto generated name and how we can store files with the manually provided name. And by default uploaded files are private, so we will also learn how we can make them public and display on the UI after upload. And at last we'll discuss some important interview questions also. Create a view so that we can create small form to select the file. Even with that we will create one controller also. So let me create a view PHP artisan make view, and view name is, let's say, upload. Then we will make one controller also, PHP artisan make controller, and controller name can be, let's say, upload controller. And we can create one more view so that we can display the image on this view, right? So let me create one more view, PHP artisan make view, and view name can be, let's say, display. You can put any name for that. I am just making it display for now, right? So now we have two views and one controller. So I am just creating a form inside the upload.blade.php. So h1 tag will be, let's say, upload file. Then let me create a form type will be post, and whenever we are uploading any file or using any multimedia, it can be an image or any file, that time we have to provide enctype, right? Enctype will be multimedia, sorry, this is a multipart, then slash form data, forms hyphen data, right? And inside this we can create a input type, and type will be, you can say that, file, right? So okay, let me create a type again, input, and type will be file. Then you can give the name also, you can put any name. I just like to put their name on file only. Then let me create a button for that, and we can close this button, and you can say that the text will be, let's say, upload file or something. And now we need to create a route for this. So let me create a route for this view, route view, and view name will be upload. This is the path actually, and upload. Second parameter will be the view name. Yeah. Now let's see, is it working or not? Let me start PHP artisan server, and then if I just click on the upload, then you can see that this is perfectly working fine. So if you try to upload any image there, it will not work. Let me show you. Here you can see that because we didn't make any post method and post request route, so we have to make that. So here you can see that our method type is post, so the route that we need to make is also should be a post type, right? So then go to the http upload controller and create a function there. My function name can be upload, and for a moment I am putting some text, let's say upload function called. Then we can create a route for this, and then I have to import this controller inside our web.php. So just use controller path, which is app http controllers and upload controller, and semicolon at the last. Then create a route, and route, as I told you, route method will be post because our form method is also post. Then we can put the upload URL, and then we will use upload controller : class, and in the second parameter we can put the function name of controller, which is upload only, like this. You can ask one thing, like why both route has the same URL? Two routes can have the same URL if methods are different. So let's say if both are view and both are post, then only last will work. But now here you can see that one method is view, second one is the post, so same URL will work. There is no issue. And now you have to use this upload URL in the form action also, like this. And there is a one more thing, we have to use there @CSRF token for the security. Now let's see, is it calling this function or not. So let me just refresh it. Let me just refresh there, select an image, and if I just click on the upload file, there you can see that upload function is getting called. Perfect. So the next thing that we need to do, we have to actually call one function with the request to upload the file. So first we have to use this request class in the parameter, and then we'll take a parameter name, which it could be request or anything. Then we can take a $path variable or any name to this variable, whatever suits to you. Then just put request and then file. So whatever file name we are putting there, like this one, we can mention there file, right? And then there is a function name which is store, right? Inside this store, we have to simply provide the folder name there we want to store our file, and at last we can put the semicolon. So this function, store function, will upload our file, but where it will upload? By default, it will upload inside the, let me show you, storage, then app, and there it will create a folder with the name of public, and then this file will be uploaded there. But this thing, this area is actually, you can say that, private area, so you cannot display image from there. So what you need to do, you have to unlink this public path, and how we can do that I'll show you, but first understand and let's see how we can upload it, right? So now you can simply just return this path like this, and let's see is it working or not, right? So let me go back, refresh it, and I am uploading this file, which is flash session 37. Clicking over there, uploading file, and you can see that we are get the folder name as well as image name. So this is the auto generated name for file. And what you need to do there, now you can go back, even if you want refresh it, then here you can see the storage, app, and public. There we go with this image, right? But as I told you, this is the private folder, you cannot access your file from there. So what you need to do, just go to the terminal and just simply run one command, php artisan make php artisan storage actually, and then you can see that link. So if you link, then you will find the same file also available in your public folder, public storage, and there. Now you can access this file. All right. Okay. So now after just running this command, you will see all files will also placed inside the private storage app public folder as well as this folder also. So let me try to upload one more image there. Go back. Okay, we need to start our PHP artisan server. Let me choose one image, and the image name is, let's say, this one, 30 HTTP client. So if I just upload this image, you can see that we have a path, but now this image is present there as well as in our, this is our public folder only, and this is our private folder. So this is placed on the both folders. Okay, so that's fine. We able to get the file path, file folder, but how we can display it on the UI? So for that, actually we have the file name as well as folder name. So we have to remove this folder name first. So for that, what we can do there, we will just take a file name array. This is our, you can say that, new array for get the file name from this path, and there what I will do, I will just explode it, and this we have to provide this slash will break this string in two parts. First will be public, and second will be this path name, and it will divide behalf of this slash because we are putting their slash, and then you can say that $path like this, put semicolon at the last. And now if you will display your file name, you will find yeah, here you can see that we got the array of two arrays, right? One first element is public, second one is the file name. And if I just put there simply 0 first, then you will see we are getting this only file name, right? Because we are sending request multiple times, so multiple files are getting uploaded, right? Because every time we are refreshing this and this file is getting uploaded, so don't worry about this, right? So now the thing is, what we can do, we can just create their dollar file name, and then we will provide our first element of array inside this, right? And now what we can do there, we can call their view, right? And which view we will call there? So display we will call, right? Display, and there we can pass, we will create an array with the name of path, this is the key, and dollar file name, this will be the file name that we want to display there. So after that, what we need to do, we are passing this path, right? So go to the display.blade.php, and on this file you just need to create a img tag. So let me create img tag with source, and you don't need to src set and alt, you can remove them, and you can simply use their double curly braces, which is the blade template syntax, and use their url. Inside this url, simply use storage like this, then slash, and after that you can put the dot, because there we will put a public file name, dollar path, right? So this path should be display your image over the UI, and if you want to just provide some width or something, then that you can do there. So now it should work, and let's see if this is working. I'm going back, refreshing this, selecting one image, and let's say image is 31, query builder, uploading, and there you can see that the image is displayed there, but this is a very big image, right? So what we can do there, we can just provide a style, width is, let's say 500, 400, whatever you want to mention, and then it will be, you can say that little bit smaller, right? So with that way we can upload this file, and the now thing is, we are able to upload with the dynamic auto-generated name and display it. But let's say you want to upload this file with the static, your own name, then how you can do that? So what you need to do, just comment this store function and just mention there storeAs, like this, and there provide a second parameter with the file name. Let's say I'm putting there dummy1.png, extension should be there, and now you will see your file name will be stored as a dummy1. And let's see if this is working. Go back, selecting 32, which is query builder, and if I just upload it, here you can see that the query builder is uploaded, and go to the storage, here you can see that dummy1 is uploaded there. Perfect. So the now thing is, we learned that how we can upload the images, but if the any file type is different, for example if we have PDF or something, then how we can upload it? So same way it will be work, and you just need to change the extension. So let me put the file name is dummy2.pdf. so let me see if I have any PDF. We can go to the dashboard, and then yeah, this one, I guess this is a PDF, right? So clicking over there, upload files. So here you can see that we have image tag, so PDF cannot be displayed there, that's fine. But if you will see, dummy2.pdf is uploaded, right? So this is the way that how we can upload the file with the auto-generated name and manually provided name, and how we can make the images public and display on the UI. I hope you learned lots of things there. If you still have any query, question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this part. This is my Paytm number for donation, guys. Thank you, guys.